Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys what I got in my Boxycharm box for the month of April. So I was really excited for this month's box. I got a lot of items that I'm definitely going to put to good use. I already started using one of the items. Couldn't wait. I was super excited. So if you guys want to see what I got in my April Boxycharm, then just keep watching. So the first item I got was this Luxie Summer Days brush set. It comes with 3 different brushes in there. So it includes a large shader brush, a small shader, and a small contouring brush, which is good because I can't seem to find my nose contouring brush. So I've been using a rather large brush to try to contour it. So I'm super excited about that. I actually have a lot of Pixie brushes because I get them in like my Boxycharm, Allure, Ipsy, things like that. And I really love their brushes. I think they're really high quality. So I always get really excited when I get Luxie brushes. So here are the 3 brushes. So we have the large shader, the small shader, and the contouring brush, which that's a big contouring brush. I don't know why. I thought it was like a smaller one that I could use for my nose, but definitely can't use that one. But I can definitely use it to contour my face. Yeah. These brushes are really nice and soft. I love Luxie brushes. They're so worth it. So the next item I got was this eye pencil in Bali Bronze. It's from the brand by Bodyography. I've never heard of that brand before. Let me see how it swatches. Okay, it's not bad. Not the creamiest, but it definitely swatches. That swatch there, it's a pretty bronze shade. I'm gonna have to see how it works on my eyes. As long as it doesn't tug too hard, I'm good. So the next item I got was this Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss in the shade Trendsetter. Pretty kind of greenish yellow lip gloss. Let's see. Okay, so let's try this lip gloss on right now since I only have a clear gloss on and some lip liner. I can't tell how it looks, so I'm going to have to look in the mirror after this. But what do you guys think so far? Okay, so I can't really tell the difference, at least in this lighting or whatnot, but it doesn't feel sticky at all, so I'm definitely going to have to wear this. It doesn't seem too, overpowering or anything, because I'm more of, a clear or, nude gloss girl, so I definitely think I can wear this without it being too much. Okay, so the next item that came in the box is a Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture, and it's in the shade Summer Haze. I've never tried any of their highlighters before, and I've always wanted to, so when I saw this came in there, I was so excited. Can I just say I love their packaging? It's like a black marble. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Anything marble, I love. So this is just what it looks like here. So it's like a pretty golden color. I'm going to have to swatch it and see. So it looks like it has a sifter, like a little sifter if I can figure out how to open it. Okay, so I can't figure out how to get this guy open. It twists, and that's all I can figure out. So if you guys know how to open this guy, please let me know in the comment section below because I have no idea. Okay, so the last item that came in the box is the Pure Festival palette. So excited for this guy. As soon as I saw it, I freaked out. Anyways, I freaked out because not only is the packaging absolutely gorgeous, love it, but when you open it, bam! Check this baby out. Wow! So I already did use this. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Worm lives matter. So I did already use this palette. I had to use it ASAP. I was super excited for it. So I did create a look. It is on my Instagram. If I can put it in here to show you guys what it looks like, I will definitely put that in here. I also swatched it as well. That is also on my Instagram. So if I can put that in here, I will definitely do that as well. If not, definitely check it out. It's Bremariemakeup if you guys want to see. But this palette is absolutely amazing. So it has some different shimmers in there. It has some mattes, and then it has 2 glitters, which are stunning. I actually used this gold glitter for the look that I did. So I'll just swatch a couple of the colors real quick just so you guys can see a couple of them here. We'll swatch one of the glitters. So here are just some quick swatches of a couple of the colors. So pretty, so pigmented. If you guys do want to see the other swatches, definitely check out the swatches on my Instagram. But I really think this palette's like perfect for summer. It has a lot of really pretty bright shades. It has some glitters in there, and it also has a lot of like warm summery tones. So I think this is actually a perfect palette to wear during summer. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of April. Really excited with everything that I got this month. Sometimes I'll have like one item, two maybe, that I'm not really a big fan of, but so far this month I really enjoyed everything that I got. But in a month or two, I get my Boxy Luxe box from Boxycharm. Super excited for that one. It's a larger box. You do pay a little bit more, but you get a lot more products in there, and it's definitely worth more of the money. I always get a lot of products in the Boxy Luxe boxes that I really do like. But I'll definitely be sure to share that box with you as well. And I'll definitely show you guys next month's box too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next one. Bye!